we opened the doors of our new 21st Century Library and Community Learning Center, and people streamed in this morning. As they were walking in, I just literally was getting goosebumps and I could feel my eyes welling up with tears. We had the taiko drummers welcoming them in, and the awe, the inspiration, you could just see that as they walked in and saw this beautiful building. And what most people noticed, which is that the city of Hayward has taken the trouble to invest not just in reading and computers, but in art, in technology, to inspire people. It really is about inspiring our residents to be the best they can be.
So my impression of the new building was basically how open it was. There's lots of open spaces for studying, for study groups. It was built more for the community first and maybe as a library and books second.
The impression of the building has been fantastic. What surprised me was the 3D printers that were here. What surprised me is the elegance of the place and the number of rooms, the study halls that they have.
What I like most about the building is the design. The decor is amazing, the lighting is superb, a beautiful learning environment.
I got an email from the library saying it would be open finally. I was really hoping that it'd open soon. On the third floor is the fact that they have the study rooms that have the natural lighting coming in, so that really got me excited.
Everyone walking in who just so proud. They're the ones who paid for this building, who inspired this building, and they were here. They made me proud, and I think we've made Hayward proud too.